To wear masks on buses. That decision came down from the state today, and it includes drivers. South Carolina Bureau Chief Shakira speaks live in the newsroom tonight. And Shakira, did state officials say why this decision was made?
Well, Brian, according to a spokesperson with the Department of Education, the decision was prompted by a one-year written rule that was written into the state's budget that prohibited school districts from enforcing a mask mandate lest they face a loss of state funding for the schools. This comes as the Delta variant continues to rise, especially in South Carolina. Dr. Brandon Traxler with DHEC describes this as alarming. She says 3 weeks ago, the state saw an increase of 7.5% in cases compared to the week before. That was followed by an 18% increase the next week. And then last week by a 58% increase in the number of cases. Doctors say this time is running out to protect children before the school year starts.
If you have a child that meets the criteria for vaccination, which is 12 years and older, I encourage you as parents and guardians to get your children vaccinated for COVID before the school starts.
And doctors are also saying if your child isn't eligible, they are encouraging all the family members inside the home to get vaccinated before the school year starts. They say that if people don't take this seriously, Brian, that there could be another surge in school-related outbreaks.
Yeah, and Shakira, you know, South Carolina, as we all know, is one of the least vaccinated states. And you're just talking about that Delta variant as well. Is it something that state health officials say they are concerned about?
That's right, Brian. I have it right here. They say so far 12 Delta variant cases have been detected through random sampling and sequencing, and one of those cases was a child. And since every positive case isn't tested, they say they're worried that there's a lot more than what we're seeing right now. I'm live in the newsroom. Shakira Speaks, Fox 46.
Yeah, certainly a story.